Hi, this is Zach for Nimbly Market. Today we're going to be unpacking and cooking the DIY pork adobo kit. Okay, let's unpack this bad boy. So let's just take off this little instructional sleeve. And you notice inside the pack there are 7 individually sealed packets labeled 1 to 7. Rip this open. Here's our pork, vinegar, soy sauce, oil, garlic, onions, and our little spice sachet. What we're going to do is use the instructions on the label to cook. Super simple. First, what we want to do is get our pan set to medium heat, and then we're going to get our oil. Just get that in there. Okie dokie. We're going to open package number 2. We're just going to cut that open, and then we're just going to get our pork right in there. So yeah, you want to let it brown it a little bit, just get a little bit of caramelization going. All right. Now we're going to take package 3 and 4, which is our onions and garlic. We're going to let that brown a little bit as well. Look at that. All nice and pre-chopped, so you don't have to. So let's get that in there. Let the natural sugars from the onions, caramelize, get nice and flavorful. Now that your onions and garlic are nice and brown, be careful not to overcook your garlic. You don't want burnt garlic, that does not taste good. You can add packet number 5, 6, and 7 to your pan. And just use that to deglaze the pan. Alright, there's 1. There's 2. Oh yeah, there we go. And that's it. Let's get all of the stuff ended up on the sides. Just make sure to scrape the bottom, just to get all those lovely, tasty, caramelized bits at the bottom. After that, get your pan, cover it, and just lower it to like a medium low, and just let that go until, well, honestly, just as long as you want it to go. If you want it a little bit wet, just take it off earlier. If you want it a little dry, just leave it on a little longer. Easy peasy. That smells super good. So what I like to do, when I eat it, is just do it over rice. Super simple. So let's just let's get a couple more pieces on there. Oh my god, this looks so good. And that's it. That is our DIY pork adobo kit. It's pre-cut and it only takes 3 steps to cook, and it's locally sourced, and it's so simple. You don't need to be a professional chef to do it. So this is Zach from Nimbly wishing you bon appetit. So kain na, right? I'm so excited. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's good, buddy. Yeah, buddy, that's good.